Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Do you have an air conditioner like this one right here? It used to give off really cold air, and now the air, it comes out and it's kind of cold, but it's not icy cold like it used to be. Most people think, hey, it's low on Freon. Can you come out and put on more Freon? Well, first of all, Freon is really, we call it refrigerant, but most of the time, almost every time, it's not a refrigerant or Freon problem. Instead, it's maintenance. When's the last time you cleaned the filters on this air conditioner? Let's do that today, right now, and see if we can get your air conditioner and this one right here up and running properly. Okay, let's turn off the power to the system, and then let's find the tabs on the side to open it up. If you look, there's a little spot to pull up your finger right here, and another one right here. Let's open it up. So when I pull on those, there's my filters, and they are filthy. Let's take them out. To take them out, we're simply gonna push up right here, and then they gently slide out like this. That is so dirty. Tell you what, let's do a clean of one, and we'll compare it to the other one. So to clean these, you can go in the backyard, turn on the hose, do it in the sink maybe. I've got a shower here. I'm actually, believe it or not, on vacation in Mexico, so we're gonna make do with what we can. Let's turn on the shower, let's clean this out. The dirt's on this side, so we're gonna have the air or the water come through this side to clean it off. Look at that. So this with almost 100% for sure, this is gonna be the reason why this air conditioner is not working correctly. There you go, let's grab a towel and dry this off. In this comparison, here's the one we just cleaned up, and here's our clogged filter. Let's see, hold it up to the light, look at that. Here's our clean one. This system's gonna work so much better. All right, I'll go clean this one up, and then let's put them back in. Be sure to thoroughly dry the filters. There we go, both the filters are cleaned up. Let's put them back in. Now don't forget, this part here is our little lever, so when we put it in, we'll put this part in first, and then this will be at the end. If we look here, there's almost a little track that this filter sits on. It just kind of rolls into place. Right, up in there. Perfect. Get those little tabs. Did you see where those tabs went? So little tabs right into those spots. Perfect. Oops, nope, not perfect. Now it's perfect. All right, let's get the other one. Kind of that spot for them to just roll right into, slow and gentle. When you work on these systems, these are things we want to, they're not fragile, but at the same time, we want to be sort of delicate with them when we can be. All right, we've got our new filters. Now, we do have a little bit of gross stuff up here on the top. If I was at home, if I was working, I would clean all that up. I'm not, I'm on vacation. The filters are cleaned. I did them a favor, and now my air conditioner is going to work way better. All right, let's close it up and turn it on. There we go, icy cold air coming out already. Hey friends, if today's video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.